Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito ang ating collective love reading. Collective to, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante, makarelate ka, makaresonate ka dito sa ating reading. If you want to book a personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, or if you want, you can go check Unipree doon sa aking TikTok shop. This is the TikTok shop, no? Unipree. I-search mo na lang yan sa TikTok and doon may mga bracelet doon na makaka-avail ka ng personal reading, tarot, astrological, palm reading, whatever you want. Feel free to choose. Okay, so for collective, what do we have here for collective? Kunin natin yung main energy mo. Okay, your main energy, you do have your separation and palm tree. And then at the bottom of the deck is the boat. Okay, so sa nakikita natin, maybe you're having separation right now with regards sa person na kakonect mo. And there are times na namimiss mo itong person na ito, you are still yearning or looking forward na makausap, makipag-connect. But the palm tree is telling me na kailangan you have to ground yourself. You need to focus on your stability. You need to, be more flexible. Ito yung time na kailangan mag-focus ka sa growth mo. Whatever ending na nararanasan mo ngayon, whether it's with regards to your friends, with regards to your love, with regards to your family, career, yan. Kung ano man yung mga ending na nararanasan mo ngayon with separation, the boat is here. This is telling you to move on. Because, kung bakit nag-end, because this is the right time na kailangan i-ready mo yung sarili mo to receive what you need. Okay? May mga bagay talaga or mga wants natin, mga gusto natin na aalisin or mawawala sa atin or hindi natin makukuha. Pero with the keys on our ring, be more open sa mga paparating or opportunities na paparating para sa'yo. So, the palm tree is here. Ground yourself. Focus on healing. Focus on, you are kung makikita mo dito, this is a coconut tree. This is, kung alam mo, ang coconut tree, maraming gamit yan. Walang tapon dyan. Diba? Dahon yan, may pakinabang, kahoy, bunga, lahat dyan sa coconut tree, no? May pakinabang. So, this is you. Don't say, no? Never ever say sa sarili mo na, bakit ka pa nabuhay? Anong meron sa'yo? Anong ganyan? Wala kang purpose. You do have a lot of purpose in this life. And you just need to focus on your goals para magkaroon ka ng be more positive. Kasi might be dito sa separation na nangyayari sa iyo na ito nagiging negative ka masyado. So, just let go of thinking about whatever is making you feel sad, no? I-let go mo yon. If you're not sure of the future, hindi mo kailangan mag-focus sa future, mag-focus ka sa present. Diba? So, let's move on to the person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Who is this person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Who is this person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? You do have your passion. And the not today. I'm seeing a person who really, with a passion, this person loves you a lot. Mahal ka niya. It's just that with the not today, pwedeng this person is avoiding you. This person is pwedeng hindi ka niya kinakausap or maybe hindi niya sinising or sinasagot ang mga message mo. And pwedeng itong person na to is, I don't know, might be distracted sa career, sa work, or kung hindi man yun, maybe hindi lang talaga siya nakikipag-usap because this person is trying to, ayaw niya maging mahina So, pwedeng nagiging escape niya or, parang defense mechanism is wag makipag-communicate or connect sa'yo kasi yun yung nagpapahina sa kanya. Pag naging open siya emotionally, nakikitaan siya ng kahinaan, and ayaw niya yon. And you do have the sword and rose, so I feel like this person, maybe pinipilit niya yung sarili niya na i-cut off ka or wag kang isipin. And girl with the snake, so some of you, there's other people here na involved kung bakit may boundaries, kung bakit kailangan itago yung mga bagay sa'yo, emotions niya. Like, might be kung bakit kailangan niya limitahan ang paniniwala niya, ang emotion niya, or ang ginagawa niya towards you, because might be off the boundaries sa inyong dalawa. So anyway, tell me more messages for collectives. You do have the cassette and the sword and rose. Ito na yung bottom of the deck ng person, diba? Lumabas naman sa'yo. Stab in the back. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako. So, nakikita natin dito with the cassette and the sword and rose na maaaring pinipilit mo rin ang sarili mo na i-cut off, tanggalin, proteksyonan ang sarili mo by, pinipilit mo na wag isipin itong taong to, pinipilit mo na wag paulit-ulit siyang isipin kasi pwedeng napapagod ka na rin, at saka parang may times mga naiisipan mo na nasisiraan ka na ng bait at kakaisip dito sa taong to, and you want to focus on your appearance, yourself, your body, no? You want to grow, you want to focus on your own life, mind your own business, diba? Pwedeng ganun. And you're focusing on your daily routines, daily life mo. And pwedeng nakakasagabal yung pag-iisip dito sa taong to, kasi sa halip na nakakapag-focus ka sa karir mo, sa goal mo, ayan, wala kang ginawa kundi kakaisip dito sa taong to. So some of you, you're trying your best not to think about this person. You're trying your best na, especially for some of you, pwedeng may mga nalaman na katotohanan, or sinabing katotohanan. Basta something na words na binanggit, sinabi, or narinig, nalaman. And this is the truth. And because of this, parang ayaw mo nang isipin yan. So, you do have your stab in the back, so you're having a lot of heartbreak, pain, regarding dito sa separation na ito. Nasasaktan ka rin sa nangyayari sa inyo ng person na ito. And, tell me more for collectives, please. You do have your clock, hammer, karmic relationship, love call, I like you is at the bottom of the deck. If there's another connection dito na involved sa side ng person mo, which is may nakikita tayong meron. Actually, ang nakakapagpatagal dito is yun naman talaga You know why? Kasi itong person na ito is, I feel like sinasabotahin niya yung sarili niya. But I can see the energy of this person hiding something. Something, especially yung emotion niya with regards sa'yo, at yung emotion niya with regards doon sa person niya. But to tell you what guys, especially if guys ito ay open sa LGBTQIA+, ha. Pero meron kasing ganito. Some of you, ang kakonect mo, siya yung lalaki dito sa connection, and you are the babae. Ngayon, alam mo, malakas ang instinct ng mga babae, nating mga babae. Inborn na sa atin yan, malakas ang instinct natin. So, kahit anong tago ng person na ito, o sige, i-workout natin yung relasyon natin, ramdam ng person niya na hindi ako laman ng puso mo. Alam niya yun. Ramdam yun ng person na yun. And if ever there's flirting or communication na nangyayari sa inyo, whether ngayon or in the past, na I feel like this communication is itinago, hindi alam nung isa. Pero ramdam niya, malakas ang instinct nun. And the love call is here. I feel like this person is still thinking of you, wanting to communicate with you. Na although wini-work out niya yung connection or komunikasyon niya with his or her person, kung wini-work out niya relasyon nila, nandun pa rin yung kagustuhan niya na gusto kong makipag-connect pa rin sa'yo. Gusto ko pa rin makausap ka. This is mind over heart with regards to your person. No? Mind over heart. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung susundin niya doon. Pero it's like, this is really affecting your person. Hindi mo rin alam kung anong gustong mong mangyari sa totoo lang. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, you want to heal. Gusto mo nang, sige, doon na lang siya. Maybe especially if there's home na involved, there's family, there's children. So, ibinibigay mo, pinaparaya mo. Sige, mag-heal na lang ako sa sarili ko. Maybe this person is really not for me. Pwedeng ganon. Pero, in a way, some of you, there's this mystery going on sa connection ninyong dalawa eh. And there's this time na pwedeng inisip mo na sana i-cut off niya na yung taong yon. Pero, there's this time din naman na iniisip mo na, hindi, magpaparaya na lang ako. Parang ganon. Hindi mo rin alam eh. Sa iyo, sa totoo lang, pwedeng katulad ng person na ito, mind over heart din. You do have here the butterfly, the girl with the snake, and healing heart. Unconditional love with the love. And girl with the snake is here. You're mirroring each other. Girl with the snake is also here. Clarify natin to. What's with the girl with the snake? Coffin is at the bottom of the deck. I like you. Kanina, I like you na rin yung bottom of the deck ng person na ito, no? So, some of you, you're mirroring each other. Sunglasses and coffee cup is here, and you do have your heart broken. And gusto kong gamitin itong card na ginawa ko. So, gagamitin ko siya for your reading. Yeah. Messages. Kukuhanin ko na rin yung messages dito, ha? Messages for collectives, please. For collectives. I can see Libra, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Aries. Pero anyway, okay lang kahit di ko nabanggit yung zodiac sign. You do have here the Fool, the Hierophant, and paano. Evil Clown, Maleta, nagpaparaya ako. And then Gift. But bottom of the deck, there's this career muna. So I feel like in the future, you don't have the butterfly. You are actually focusing on yourself. Butterfly is you na pwedeng you're getting out of your comfort zone in the near future. Pwedeng lalo na pagdating sa career. There are things in your career na itatry mo or gagawain mo for you to become more better. And nakikita natin na kung ano man yung mga alam mo na or mga magaganda sa'yo, pwedeng mag-shine ka dyan or ipakita mo ito. The fall is you. This is good. This could be, has something to do with new beginning. I can see you being more creative in the near future. Girl with the snake. This is like a situation wherein yung mga kaaway or kalaban, no? It is like part of your learning with the Hierophant, and maaaring may mga malaman, matutunan ka sa kanila. And kasama yon kung bakit ka mas lalong mag-grow. Alam mo yon, minsan kasi kailangan natin ng kalaban, kakompetisyon, para malaman natin kung saan tayo mas magaling, saan mas magandang gawin. Alam mo yon, yung parang natitrigger ka kung bakit kailangan mo dapat ayusin, kung bakit kailangan mo maging maganda or maging maayos, kasi might be gusto mo, kumbaga parte sila para maging mas maayos ka palalo. So, part of your learning is itong mga kalaban na ito. And you do have your paano. Some of you, as much as possible, you will limit yourself pagdating dito sa person na ito. No, hindi ka gumagawa ng any movement or what, because you are focusing on endings and new beginnings, okay? With regards to karmic relationship, ayan, nakakita tayo ng maybe some of you is an ending of a communication connection and love dito sa person na to, kasi you feel like wala ng chance no? Ayaw mo namang ma-obsess dito sa taong ito, no? Na masasaktan at masasaktan ka lang. So, ang focus mo in the near future is with regards to yourself and with regards to your career. Ayan, lalo na ang bottom of the deck natin is career muna. This is you. So, punta tayo dito sa person mo. You do have your the evil clown. Maleta. Nagpaparaya ako. And the gift is here. I feel like ikakagulat din ng person na ito, kasi the way I say this is that kahit hindi siya gumawa ng action, ang gagawin niya is, ayusin, kontrolin ang connection with his or her person. I can see na magugulat na lang siya dahil in the near future, yung person naman niya ang magpaparaya or aalis sa connection nilang dalawa. The gift is like something na unexpected. Yeah, you can see the word unexpected here. Ikakagulat mo, and pwedeng hindi niya nare-realize yung person pala nakakonect niya is pinaghahandaan na i-cut off or nagpaparaya ako na itapusin kung ano man namamagitan sa kanila ng person niya. No? May plano na siya. You do have your maleta. So, may plano itong person na ito. It's just that with the evil clown, yeah, this is showing as a third person. This is showing as someone na, wearing a mask. Pwedeng hindi siya nagiging truthful doon sa person mo or sa person ninyo, dalawa, di ba? Parang tingin niya, o sige, i-try i-workout, sige, i-try i-workout, pero sa isip-sip na tong person na to, hindi, wala na. No? And this would cause a lot of sadness with regards sa person na ito, sa person mo, yung separation nilang dalawa. So, while you are working on yourself, something is cooking dito sa connection or sa buhay niya. Okay? So, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam PTV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV. And yung ating TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. And yung ating TikTok shop wherein pwede ka maka-avail ng bracelet to book a personal reading, Unipree TikTok shop. Ayan, thank you for watching guys. I love you all. Please do comment down below na lang ha. And bye-bye.